Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will revise unit number 2 that was in your first term, in your midterm, but it is also included in your final term. It is also mentioned in your syllabus that unit 2 does he remember is in your final term syllabus. First of all, we will do its question answers. You have already done. We are only going its revision. Answer the following question. When Malik arrived at the gate, he saw a sign that said, "Beware of dogs." Pupils may also list the other things he sees and the scrawled addition on the sign. Question 2. Its answer. Mike did not climb over the gate because he knew that the sign might be true and because he was too old. Question 3. Yes, Malik had been to the house before. We know because it says that he was thinking about all the occasions he had visited this very house, and because he remembers Nabil's dog as puppies. Nabil was sitting in a large dark living room. Marmaduke reacted angrily to Mike as soon as he smelt him. Now the last question. Mike left the property by remaining out the leaping over the gate. Now here is an exercise on page 20, that is working with words. कॉपी एंड कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग, ये आपका क्वेश्चन है और उसमें जो सेंटेंसेस हैं मेरे पास वो मैं पढ़ के तो आपको उनके आंसर्स बता रही हूँ. At your 19 page, the question is A. Mike made sure to keep close to the old man. आगे fill in the blank है, उसमें आप ये वर्ड लिखेंगे determinedly, तब इसको सेंटेंस को फिल करेंगे. Determinedly staying a step behind him. Similarly, question B. But he was not completely, आगे खाली जगह है, fill in the blanks है, उसमें वर्ड आएगा convinced. This is the second word. Now on page 20, the C line is the heavy gate squeaked and अगली खाली जगह में आएगा screeched as it was swung up with the difficulty. पहले में squeaked आएगा और screeched आएगा. Last sentence. The dark form leapt into the air urgently, आगे खाली जगह है, उसमें लफ्ज आएगा scrambling to get off the sofa. Now these are the sentences and these are the fill in the blanks. Two are on page 20 and two sentences are on page 19. Now on page 20, question 2E, which of the following words are incorrect? इनमें जो हैं तीन वर्ड जो हैं वो इनकरेक्ट है, उनकी करेक्शन यहाँ से देखिएगा, मैं आपके सामने कर रही हूँ. कोलैप्स्ड सही है, ऑब्वियसली सही है, अकम्पनी सही है, एनॉयड में बुक में सिंगल एन है जबकि डबल एन आएगा, एपरेंट सही है, इल्यूमिनेटेड में डबल एल आएगा जबकि किताब में वन एल मिसिंग है, फ्यूरियस के स्पेलिंग गलत है, FEROCIUS फ्यूरियस. These are scrawled. It is correct. Now punctuation में हम देखते हैं. Punctuation practice में we use full stop, commas, capital letters. Without looking at the story, हम ये वाला correction में करने लगे हैं. Copy the passage below, but put in the correct punctuation marks. As you do so, when you have finished, read what you have written to see if it all makes good sense. Students, you will read it aloud at home to have its practice. Commas beginning. Can you be sure? Question mark. Commas closed. Asked Mike. Full stop. When the sentence is completed, there is full stop. When a person is speaking, then there are commas. And when there is question, the question mark. Sure of what? Question mark. Asked Nabil. Stop. That he's asleep? Question mark. You can hear him snoring, can't you? No, exclamatory mark. Whispered mic. Question. After the full stop is there, after the completion of the sentence, then inverted commas beginning. Are you sure that he doesn't remember me? Question mark at the end and commas closed. If pupils have done this, अगर बच्चों आपने ये कर लिया है इस पैसेज को, तो आप इसको एक और प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं अपना जो भी आपका लेसन है उसमें. Now the question is 2 is make list of verbs, verb are action verbs, and adverbs which describe more about verbs and noun in the following passage. The passage is given on your book and we will do and have the exercise to snatch out the verbs. Verbs are action words. Come, came, come, gaze, gazed, gazed, find, found, write, wrote, written, जिनकी सेकंड थर्ड फॉर्म हो जाती है सेंटेंस में और वो एक्शन को शो करते हैं वो वर्ब्स हैं. Will, be, tired, to pull, could, move. Adverbs wanderingly, round, beautifully, out, hard, out. Best of luck. Have a nice day.